Let's be real for a second. Starting an online business sounds exciting, right? You open Instagram or YouTube and see someone saying, "Start dropshipping today and earn lakhs in a month." Another one says, "Start affiliate marketing with this app and become rich overnight." And the worst part, we believe them. We click the links, download the apps, and start chasing this fantasy that online business is some kind of shortcut to wealth. But let me tell you the truth. Most people fail when they try to make money online. And today, I'll explain why that happens and how you can avoid the same mistakes. The first reason people fail is because of unrealistic expectations. Most people jump into this world thinking they'll start earning $500 in their first month without any skills, without any learning, and without any proper plan. They think just by opening a Shopify store or watching a few YouTube tutorials, money will start raining down. But the internet isn't a magic machine. It's a tool, and if you don't know how to use it, it's useless. You have to fix your mindset. You won't become rich in one night. You'll have to struggle, learn, experiment, and slowly build something valuable. This isn't a race. It's a journey. Then comes the second biggest reason for failure: shiny object syndrome. You know those people who switch from one business idea to another every week? One day they're doing dropshipping. The next day they're into crypto. Then it's blogging, then YouTube, automation. Bro, pick one thing and stick to it. Everyone wants the fastest way to get rich, but that mindset ruins your focus. If you want to succeed, pick one path: freelancing, content creation, commerce. Whatever it is, just commit to it for at least 6 months. You can't build anything meaningful if you keep switching gears every week. The third reason is a harsh one. People don't want to learn. I'm serious. People want to make money online, but they don't want to learn how to sell, how to market, how to create content, or how to build a product. Imagine starting a restaurant without knowing how to cook. Would anyone do that? No, right? But that's what people are doing with online businesses. They don't want to invest time in learning. And when it fails, they blame the business model. Don't do that. Start learning the skills you need. Watch free YouTube tutorials. Take affordable courses. Learn graphic design, copywriting, video editing, or ads. The more skills you have, the more income opportunities open up. Now let's talk about the fourth reason: giving up too early. A lot of people start a business or YouTube channel, and if it doesn't blow up in 1 month, they quit. Bro, it doesn't work like that. Your first video might get 10 views. Your first product might not sell. Your first freelancing gig might take months to land. But that's normal. That's the process. The only thing that separates successful people from those who fail is consistency. If you keep showing up, keep trying, keep improving, you'll win. Maybe not today, maybe not next month, but one day for sure. The fifth reason people fail is a funny one. They try to look rich instead of getting rich. They make a little money, and instead of reinvesting it in the business, they buy a new phone or a flashy bike just to flex on Instagram. Bro, chill! No one cares about your phone. You're not in this to impress people. You're in this to build a future. So, reinvest your earnings. Buy better tools, better software, run better ads. Don't waste your earned money just to show off. Stay grounded. Now let me tell you how I avoided all of this. I started from a broken room. Literally. No fancy setup, no savings. Just a cheap phone and one secondhand laptop. I didn't know editing, didn't know how to create content, didn't know how to sell, but I started learning. Every single night, I'd watch videos, practice, and build something. Some things failed, some succeeded, but I didn't quit. Slowly, I learned freelancing, content creation, and e-commerce. Today, I run a real business, have a proper studio, and a good car. But it didn't happen overnight. It took time, effort, and patience. So what can you do right now? Start by picking one thing. Stick to it. Don't get distracted by shiny objects. Start learning the skills you need. Start small. You don't need $5,000 to start. Even with $50, you can begin something meaningful. Stay consistent. Reinvest your money. And, most importantly, Don't give up when results don't come immediately. Trust the process. Let me say this again. There are no shortcuts. You're not going to find an app that doubles your money. You're not going to get rich by watching ads. What will change your life is learning real skills, putting in real work, and staying consistent for a long time. That's how I did it. That's how thousands of others did it. And that's how you can do it too. This is Business Desk. I don't sell fake dreams or links that disappear. I share the real stuff that actually works because I've lived it. If you want honest advice about online business, freelancing, content creation, and building something real from scratch, hit that subscribe button and stay with me on this journey. We've got a long way to go, and we'll get there together.